This just came in. I purchased it for my son and my daughter. I hope they like it. My son's here with me. Like it says you need a rocker type switch. I'll show you what that is if you don't know what that is. That means you can't use the regular light switch that goes up and down. Look over here, son. Tell me what you think.
Ooh. This is a light switch.
Cool, right?
But how does it...
So these are the instructions. I'll show you everything.
Are they supposed to be like buttons?
Let me just put this away. Hold on.
How does it work?
I'll show you in 1 second. We're gonna put it together. We're gonna put it up. This is standard, I guess, light switch. Can you get me a measuring tape? I have, you know, there's one right there on the table, right under the TV. But I think this is the standard. When you have a rocker, I'll show you what a rocker is. Light plate. And this is the actual measurement itself. Just in case you need it. Can you take the buttons out? And we need a flathead screwdriver. Also turn off the power at the breaker. These are the screws that come with it. The flathead. About 1 inch long. Put this away. So let me show you what kind of light switch this goes on. It goes like this. So you have this piece and this piece. There's 2 buttons. This is how you use it. You take this piece right here. You put it in here and it snaps into place. This one also. And then the button will go behind. So you press it on and off, on and off. It's gonna be pretty cool. So let's go to the light switch. It's gonna look sort of like that. That's the second one. I bought a 2-pack. It was like $1 cheaper to buy a 2-pack. So I turned off the power from the circuit breaker. Be careful doing this. Follow the instructions. Don't follow what I'm doing. Follow what the instructions say. So this is a rocker type switch. It's not the other one. It's the big fat one. Okay. Now this is the actual rocker. You take this, you hold the buttons, put this in place, and you gotta find where the screw goes, and hopefully that should be easy. I found mine. And the bottom one. We turned the circuit breaker back on, screwed everything back in. Okay, now you'll see it better with the lights off. How do you like it, son?
I love it.
It's so cool. Rifle off. You could do either one. You could turn it around, whatever you want. It's a gaming light switch theme. That's what it's for, like the old gaming the old Pac-Mans and all that. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.